this final section, we will look at collaboration and online hosting. In addition to managing our own codes and documents, another important use of version control is its collaboration capabilities. As mentioned previously, Git uses a distributed model, allowing everyone working on a project to have their own independent copy of the entire repository. To collaborate effectively, we need a central version of the codebase used to unify everyone's efforts. Typically, the best location for a central repository is online. There are a number of excellent options for online hosting of Git repositories. Currently, two options are dominating the landscapes: Bitbucket and GitHub. Bitbucket offers unlimited free public repositories where anyone can see and check out your project. With an email address from an academic institution, you will also get unlimited free private repositories. These repositories are hidden to the public, and you can share them with some of your collaborators. GitHub also offers free unlimited public repositories. With an email from an academic institution, you will get 5 free private repositories. The main difference here is that GitHub will not limit you on the number of collaborators for your private repository. In addition, you can also use GitHub to serve web pages for free. If you have the address and the correct permissions for an online repository, you can grab your own copy using the clone command. Let's clone the website version of this tutorial. With git log, you can see that we have access to all the history of this repository. Covering all the different ways you can collaborate with Git goes out of the scope of this tutorial. A number of options on how to get your changes incorporated into a central repository exist. These include forking and pull requests, email patches, and direct pushing. The basic workflow is almost always the same. It consists in making your changes on your own personal copy of the repository, ideally in a new branch, pull the changes locally using the command git pull to get the most recent version of the central repository into your master branch. This makes sure that you are up to date with any changes that might have occurred on the central repository. Then merge the changes from your new branch into the master branch. Once any conflicts are resolved, you can update the central repository by pushing your new code onto it, using, for example, git push. For a proper introduction to hosting and collaborating with Git, see the excellent online book ProGit, available at the following address. For more resources, we welcome you to have a look at the following links. Finally, if you want to have an overview of commands used for Git, have a look at the following links. And this concludes this tutorial.